What's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE. Right now, we're about to check out Money, Lisa exclusive performance video. This is my girlfriend, Hedgen. You know, she's a big Lisa fan, so I had to bring her in, get that money, get that shmoney, you know what I'm saying? But not in this, we don't get shmoney on reaction videos, so because copyright, so that's fine, because I've been doing it for years, and I'm fine with that. I just like to spread what I like. Be sure to stay to the end of the video, because I do have a giveaway coming. Finally, I haven't done a giveaway in a minute, so be on the lookout for that. All right, let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Play my intro.
Yeah.
Alright, Lisa, money, performance video. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. I've been waiting for this, to be honest. Oh.
It's the end of the month and the weekend. I'ma spend this track, everything on me. I'ma tip myself, I'ma spend it on myself. I'ma drop it like it's
as you should.
Check the money.
Ooh.
Yikes.
Yikes. I love that.
Ooh.
Money dance. What is the money dance?
Okay. Ooh, that background.
Ooh, that background for real. Okay. We got money. Ooh, okay, Lisa. The fur boat.
Fur boots.
The fur boat.
Oh, that's such a look on her.
Hey, hey. Ooh. Oh, yo, replay. Yoshi.
Oh,
okay. Squats. Let's go. Hey.
Hey.
To the beat.
Yeah.
Let's
go. On my ass tonight. Yeah.
Everyone silent. Listen to my money.
Ah.
I like it. Yeah, everyone know what I mean. When it's a green, I mean go.
Go.
Give me what the hell I want.
Wow.
Give me what the hell I want. Check the money making bank account number.
Yikes. Ooh, okay.
It bounce on your bitch, I do the
Money dance.
I just made 100 bands. When the stars say sign for it, I'ma leave my autograph.
Yeah.
Okay, Lisa.
Let's go.
Let's go, outfit. That hair, though.
Ooh.
Ooh. What we gonna do? Drop it.
Hey.
But my bank account,
Hey.
I can't drop money with my bank account right now.
Hey.
At night.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay. Let's go.
Hey.
Oh, she got the safety shorts. Gotta be safe.
Gotta be safe.
Ooh. Was that Celine? Oh, yeah. Let me see this.
My money moves, money I choose. Sleeve my shoes, walking on you. My money moves, my money moves.
Ooh, wait, hold on.
Hey, that
We coming through.
That was fire. Ooh.
He can't be playing. Oh, he's playing with fire. Blackpink. Ooh, okay.
Hey,
It's actually choreo.
yeah.
Usually, they would just go part. Ooh.
Ooh.
Hold up.
She did like the whacking.
Oh, did she? Wait, hold up. Let me see at the end. The end went harder than I thought they were just gonna have a party scene. Ah, they did do so. Yeah.
The whack.
That is tight. That is tight. Ooh, that is.
That's crazy.
But when she switches this outfit, I was like, okay, let's get it. Where is it?
The lights. Oh.
Oh, there's background dancers on the screen. That's crazy.
Oh,
That's
shit.
crazy.
Ooh.
Damn. I came here to grab some money. Yes, go. Get it. I be twerking too. I never had dollar bills drop in my ass before.
I could make it happen.
You can actually.
I do.
You actually can make it happen. I was like, I remember. I was like,
Everyone silent. Listen to mama.
ooh, he hushed. She's like, girl,
She said, "Girl,
listen.
Ass
listen."
tonight. Everyone silent. Listen to my money
Ooh.
talk.
When I first heard that lyric, I was like, ooh,
Everyone know what I mean. When it's a green, when it's a green, I mean go.
go,
Give me what the hell I want.
wow,
Give me what the hell I want.
wow.
Check the money
Oh.
making bank account number.
Yikes!
That's that shit that's never getting bounced on ya. Bitch, I do the money dance. I just made 100 bands. When the star says sign for it, I'ma leave my
Oh,
autograph.
so pretty.
Dollar bills, watch it falling for me. I love the way that feels. Dollar bills.
Oh, that's so smooth. That part.
Go back.
Just like when she like gets into that.
The way that feels.
Like, boom. Ooh, oh, and like the ripple effects.
Yeah.
Oh.
Me, I love the way you feel.
I can get the drop some money.
Dropping all my money.
Ooh, okay, let's go. I feel like this is gonna be like a movie song, like a, you know, a spending money song.
Buy the things I like. Dollars dropping on my ass tonight.
Yeah.
This part's
Ooh,
dope too.
yeah. This part is fucking.
Ooh, that's the only type of movie you would do though. I mean, you already do that
Yeah.
On my
by yourself, but with a crew though.
With a crew. Let's go.
Ooh, with a tongue out and everything. Let's go, Lisa.
I like how it says money is a terrible master, but an excellent servant.
It's true though.
It's true.
Yeah, money.
And
We
I
need
like-
money, but
I like how the sign, the money part, is like flickering. I don't know if they.
oh.
Yeah, it's flickering. Yeah, only the money part is flickering.
Maybe to get your attention on that.
Yeah.
Okay, Lisa, look back at it.
Do you see it, right?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
gone now, and it comes back on. Yeah,
off this bitch so yummy, yeah.
my money moves. I need my money to move, to be honest.
My money moves. Money I choose.
Invest, y'all.
Leave my shoes. Walking on you. My money rules. My money
That's
moves.
dope.
Money I choose.
Hey,
I
wait,
like
wait.
her-
It was
I
a
like
transition,
her
right?
Piercing.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
The back dancer.
Walking on you. My money
Which?
moves.
Oh, in the
Yeah,
middle. Oh,
in the
yeah. That's.
middle.
Would you
That
get that?
must hurt.
Yeah, of course it would hurt.
I wouldn't get that.
No?
But I
It looks
respect
dope.
it on other people that can pull it off.
I didn't realize that it switched to back to the other scene though.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, when the fire
Money I choose.
from the dancer.
Leave my shoes. Walking on you. My money rules. My
Oh yeah.
That's
oh
crazy.
no, yeah.
That's
yeah.
crazy. That's a good transition.
shoes. Leave my shoes. Walking on you.
Good editing.
My money moves.
Ooh.
Watch my ones. Yes. Dollars. We're dropping on you.
This part's dope too. I thought it was gonna be like a party scene, but it's actually like choreo, like.
Dropping on you.
Eee.
Dropping on you.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, popped off.
I
I mean,
their outfits there remind me of like what is it? The Kanye West.
the Kanye West one, like it's just all beige, brown, and like
Yeah,
simple colors. Yeah,
yeah.
it does.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I mean, from when I first heard Money, I mean, obviously I expected something dope. I mean, when we saw LALISA and then saw the other part, like the other single, I was like, oh, Money hits different.
Money hit different.
Like LALISA is dope, but this
I better see her. You know,
know,
her
what?
her booty.
You
popping.
did.
Yeah,
did,
that's
though.
that's what I was thinking in
You
my head. I was
did.
like, I better see booty popping.
We
And
did.
Then
We
she gave.
we
We
could-
asked and we received.
could replay it. Let me see.
Keep on falling. Give me the drop. Some money.
Hey,
Dropping
drop
on
it.
money.
Hey, yeah.
Twerking when I buy the things I like.
I actually want her to twerk more, like because she said it so much.
Yeah, like
That's one thing.
especially there,
Like,
twerking, like a moment of her, like
Yeah,
doing
yeah.
it. Yeah, me too.
It was a little bit. She teasing us.
Listen
Like
to
a
my
money
money.
but it's still K-pop, so
I know it's still K-pop. You know, you can't be like twerking
Yeah,
everywhere.
Yeah,
know what I'm
I
saying?
mean, unless if you're,
You know,
Hyodin
or Mame.
yeah,
You know, Jay. You know what I'm saying?
Hey,
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, of course, we've been listening to this actual album, or single album. It's only 2 songs, and they actually have an album for it too, which is nice, by the way. Black Gold. Which one? Of these bad boys, and it comes with like 4 or like 2 LALISA. Yeah, but we're gonna keep 2 of them girls. We need some too. We need to, you know what I'm saying? But I want to give away these. Oh, it's not gonna do it. It's not gonna do it.
You know, it's but look at her.
We're gonna give 2 away of these, all wrapped up, all brand new. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to give you like the ones that I use, obviously.
We have a black version
And a gold version. And to be able to win, first of all, number one rule, you better be subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, what are you doing? Hello? And if you're not, please do. I know there's always new fans coming in and out. You know what I'm saying? But also, number 2, this is the most important one. Follow my Instagram, but on my new posts, post your favorite lyric of LALISA or Money and tag 2 people. And for extra points, follow Hedgen. And I'll be checking. Like, oh, you follow Hedgen too? Okay, then you know what? You could extra. And then for more points, you can follow my Twitch at Jrekml if you want. You know what I'm saying? So yes, first rule, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? You better say that you're subscribed and how much you like money or whatever exactly in the comments down below. You better comment. Number 2, follow my Instagram and then comment. There's gonna be a new post soon. Comment your favorite lyrics from either LALISA or Money and tag 2 people. And also follow Hedgen as well. And then for more extra points, follow the Twitch. And that's about it. And I'll be choosing a winner like maybe in the next 5 days. And yeah. I'll announce it on Instagram, all right, on my story. So you better follow me on Instagram. And LALISA, Money, and giveaway. Hopefully you guys have a great, amazing day, and see you to the next video, Twitch stream or IG live, whatever, or TikTok. I am on TikTok. She's on TikTok. So let's check it out, and see you guys till next time. Bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Money moves, money I choose. Sleeve my shoes, walking on you. My money rules, my money moves.